Hi friends, welcome once again. Today I'm at this very interesting place in Mumbai called Chor Bazar. Yes, Chor Bazar means Thieves Market. As the name suggests, it used to be Thieves Market once upon a time. But now it's a popular flea market where you get to buy all kinds of second-hand used goods and vintage items. So I'm going to explore this market this evening, so please follow me. Chor Bazar is one of the largest flea markets in India, located at Mutton Street near Bendi Bazar and Grand Road. Mutton Street, there are several strange names like this in Mumbai. This is called Mutton Street maybe because there are several meat shops in this area. Anyway, this is my guess, I'm not sure. The origins of Chor Bazar are murky and shrouded in mystery. Some historians believe that the market began as a trading post for stolen goods during the British colonial era. Others argue that it was simply a place where traders could buy and sell second-hand goods. Automobile parts are one of the many items that can be found at Chor Bazar, but it is important to note that the authenticity and quality of these parts may vary due to the nature of the market. Despite this risk, many people continue to purchase automobile parts from this Chor Bazar. And some of the parts that may be available include engine parts, body parts, electrical parts, suspension and steering parts, and transmission parts. It is important to carefully inspect these parts before purchase to ensure that they are in good condition and can provide the necessary functionality for the safe and efficient operation of the vehicle. Here I find this board Sufi Irani tea and decided to have some tea. This so special tea, so yummy, and this guy is so helpful giving details of this area. And one of the popular sections of this market is, as I told you, auto parts section. Here one can find a vast array of auto parts, both new and used, for a range of vehicles from cars to motorcycles. And the Chor Bazar is a treasure trove for motorcycle enthusiasts. The market is known to have a vast selection of motorcycle parts, including engines, exhaust, fuel tanks, wheels, and other essential parts. These parts are available for various motorcycle brands and models, ranging from vintage bikes to modern ones. And first, I want to tell you one thing that I'm not an automobile expert. I learned all these things partly from these people here and from other sources also. One of the main advantages of buying auto parts in Chor Bazar is affordable price. The used auto parts available in the market are often sold at a fraction of the cost of the new parts. This is particularly beneficial for those who are looking for parts for older or rare models, or where new parts may be harder to find and more expensive. This market offers a wide range of auto parts, including engines, transmission, suspension, and steering parts, and also electrical and body parts and accessories. Engines are one of the most commonly found auto parts in the market, and they are available for cars, trucks, and motorcycles. These engines may be in working condition or may need repairs, but they are sold at very affordable price. In addition to these, auto electrical parts and body parts are also available here. While this market offers a wide variety of auto parts, it is important to exercise caution while purchasing them. Some parts may be counterfeit or of low quality, so it is important to inspect them carefully before making a purchase. Additionally, it is important to be aware of fraudulent activity and to buy from trusted sellers. As I stand amid this bustling market, I am immediately struck by the cacophony of sounds that surround me. The noise level is high, with vendors calling out customers, the constant hum of engines, and the chatter of people negotiating deals. The market is alive with activity, and the sound of movement is ever present. As I move further into the market, I notice that the noise is not limited to human activity. The sound of machinery such as drills and hammers fill the air as workers repair and maintain vehicles and other machinery. The clanging of metal and whirring of gears punctuate the background noise, creating a symphony of industrial sounds. This particular store here stocks vintage items, I think. Chor Bazar is known for its variety of vintage and antique items, including home appliances. Many of these items sold at Chor Bazar are unique and one of a kind, which is a big draw for collectors and enthusiasts. You can find vintage home appliances like radios, fans, toasters, mixers, and many more. If you are interested in purchasing vintage appliances at Chor Bazar, it is advisable to do your research and be knowledgeable about the product you are interested in buying. Vintage items can be expensive and it is important to know their true value and condition before making a purchase and inspect them carefully for any damages or defects and ask questions about its history and authenticity. And this particular store stocks various art objects, and this Chor Bazaar is a popular destination for art enthusiasts, as it is a home to a diverse collection of art objects that range from traditional to contemporary. And I find this guy selling tires here, and it also helped me getting various information about this market. And he's a very nice guy who helped me with so much information about this market after sitting within 10-15 minutes. Now I'm moving further, exploring other areas of this market. Some of the antique items you may come across at Chor Bazar include vintage cameras, old telephones, gramophones, typewriters, antique furniture, and traditional Indian artifacts such as brass idols, oil lamps, and utensils. These items are not only beautiful to look at but also have historical significance, giving you a glimpse into the rich culture and heritage of India. Chor Bazaar, which is known for its antique and vintage goods, may appear shabby and poorly maintained due to a variety of factors. Firstly, the market is an old and historic one, with most of the shops dating back to the colonial era. Over time, the structures may have deteriorated and the upkeep may have been neglected. And second reason, I think Chor Bazaar is a busy and crowded market with a lot of foot traffic, which can lead to wear and tear on the infrastructure. The market is also located in a densely populated area of Mumbai, which can result in limited space and resources for maintenance and cleaning. And additionally, the natural goods sold in Chor Bazaar may contribute to its appearance. Many of the items are second-hand or antique and may not be in pristine conditions. This can create a sense of disorder and clutter in the market. It's also worth noting that the appearance of the market may be part of its charm and character. Some people may appreciate the authentic and slightly gritty atmosphere of Chor Bazaar, which adds to its unique character and appeal. Now I am leaving this place and going to another interesting location in Mumbai. So I'll tell you the details only after reaching there. So please stay tuned. This is the pathway next to the road leading to Grandeur Station. So heading to the Grandeur Station right now. From there I take a train and get down at Mahalakshmi. And from there I'm visiting some other place, very interesting place that I want to show you. I'm going to disclose after reaching there. So stay tuned, follow me. Now the time is 6:45 p.m. The weather is too sultry and muggy. Anyhow, I want to show you the place around me. I'm sweating profusely. This place is close to Grandeur Station. So I'm reaching Grandeur Station in 1 or 2 minutes. Now I'm on this flyover bridge connecting the road to the Grandeur railway station. I just want to capture the scene under the bridge. There are several shops selling clothes, accessories, and so many other items. And one another attraction of this place is Lamington Road, the biggest wholesale and retail electronic market in Mumbai, which is around the corner, where you get all electronic items much lower than the maximum retail price as they have a high turnover. Now finally at Grandeur Railway Station, platform number 1. From here, we are going to take this train to Maharashtra. It's hardly less than 2 minutes from here. So I prefer to go by train than by road. Now I am at Mahalakshmi, just came out of the station and waiting for the traffic to cross the road. Now you see the skyscrapers around just opposite of what you have seen just a while ago. This is Mumbai, where you get to see all kinds of life. The slum area, dirty gullies to high rises and luxury apartments, where life exists in all levels. Mumbai is often referred to as city of dreams due to its reputation as a hub for entertainment, finance and commerce. However, Mumbai's vibrant, bustling and exteriors belies a deeper and more complex reality. Mumbai's dual existence is characterized by stark contrast between its glamorous facade and the stark realities of life for many of its residents. On one hand, Mumbai is a cosmopolitan city that attracts people from all over the world. The city boasts a thriving film industry, a vibrant nightlife, and a robust economy. Many of the Mumbai residents enjoy high standard of living and have access to excellent education, healthcare, and other amenities. However, beneath the surface, Mumbai is a city of great inequality. Millions of people live in slums and informal settlement that lack access to basic services such as clean water and sanitation. These residents are often subject to harsh working conditions and low wages, making it difficult for them to escape poverty. The stark contrast between Mumbai's opulence and poverty is most evident in the city's geography. Now finally I am at this place called Dhobi Ghat, the famous Dhobi Ghat or Washerman's colony in Mumbai. And this is very close to the Mahalakshmi station. And this is the base view, and I am going down to explore the area in more details. Dhobi Ghat is an iconic open-air laundry district located in Mumbai. It is an area where traditional washers known as dhobis have been washing clothes for more than a century. The Dhobi Ghat in Mumbai is one of the largest open-air laundry systems in the world, and it is an important cultural and historical landmark of the city. The Dhobi Ghat is a fascinating place to visit as one can witness the process of washing clothes in a traditional manner. The dhobis use concrete wash pans where they beat the clothes against the stone to remove dirt and stains. The clothes are then soaked in a mixture of water and detergent and then hung out to dry on lines. And of course you can also see several high rises like this around this area. Now let us enter into these narrow lanes and explore the area in details. And apart from being an important laundry hub, the Dhobi Ghat is also a thriving community where people live and work. Dhobis are known to be hard-working individuals who have been carrying out their profession for generations. They come from different parts of the country and work tirelessly to ensure that clothes are washed and returned to their owners in the shortest possible time. And while it is true that modern technology has been reduced by some people to help with laundry services here, the traditional method of washing clothes with concrete wash pans and manually hanging them to dry on lines or bamboo poles is still the most prevalent method used by the dhobis in the Dhobi Ghat area.
ऐसे धोने का और सूखने का सब मशीन हो गई। मैं पहली बार उसको पता ही नहीं था। हमें काफ़ी साल हो गया पहली बार।
And I was asking one of the guys I met here how they conduct their activities on regular basis here. And one thing is quite clear that while some people using the modern technology, others stick to the traditional method of washing here. Well, it is quite obvious that the laundry services in the area may have started to use modern machines, such as heavy-duty washing machines, to help with their workload. It is important to note that the traditional method is still the most commonly used method by the Dhobis, and it is an important aspect of their cultural heritage. Now I am going deeper into the alleys and make sense of how they live and work in such harsh living conditions. Many of them come from impoverished backgrounds and have limited awareness and opportunities in life. They have been living in this area for generations and have adapted to these living conditions. And they live in makeshift housing made of corrugated tin and tarpaulins in and around the laundry area. These housing structures are small and cramped and lack basic amenities such as running water, sanitation facilities, and electricity. The living conditions are challenging, and the Dhobis have to endure extreme temperature and harsh working conditions. Despite the harsh living conditions, the Dhobis are a close-knit community and support each other in times of need. They have developed their own social and cultural practices, and their work as laundry workers is an important aspect of their identity. Various organizations and government bodies have initiated efforts to improve the living conditions of the Dhobis in Dhobi Ghat. Some NGOs have helped in providing basic amenities such as clean water and sanitation facilities, and the government has also taken steps to improve the housing conditions in the area. However, due to the high population density and limited space, it has been challenging to provide proper housing and other facilities to all the Dhobis in the area. There is still a lot of work to be done to improve the living conditions of the Dhobis in this area and ensure that they have access to basic amenities and a better quality of life. And with this, I'm going to end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this video informative and enjoyable. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And feel free to leave a comment below with your thoughts and feedback. I appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks so much.